Hi everybody, this is Mr. Duncan in England. How are you doing today? Are you okay? I hope so. Many people ask me, Mr. Duncan, what is the best way to speak English? Is it with an American accent or a British accent? I think this is a very interesting question indeed. But my answer to this question is quite simple. You use the English that you feel the most comfortable with. You don't have to sound like an American when you're speaking. You don't have to sound like a British person when you're speaking. As long as you feel comfortable with the way you use English, that is the most important thing of all. Of course, it's also important that the other person understands what you're saying as well. So don't worry too much about sounding like somebody else. Don't try to copy somebody else's way of speaking. What you have to do is develop your own way of using English. Don't forget, English is an emotional language. It's a personal language. It's a language that you use to express the way you feel. So don't worry about sounding like somebody else. Use English as you would your own language, in your own way, to express the way you feel. So you don't have to sound like Mr. Duncan. You don't have to sound like some American. You don't have to sound like anybody. What you have to sound like is you. This is Mr. Duncan in England, saying bye for now.